Meinl Didgeridoo 47-inch bamboo shell in red with hand-painted native design. This is a beautiful version of one of the oldest music-making tools known to mankind. This 47-inch bamboo didgeridoo makes the list as one of the best didgeridoos for beginners overall. Each of these didgeridoos is an individual work of art, beautifully hand-painted with colorful designs. The instrument delivers the renowned resonating sound of a bamboo didgeridoo with a lightweight functionality and stylish appearance. The overtones that weave in and out of the deep drone really help beginners achieve that authentic Australian sound. They are super easy for beginners to play, which is why we endorse them here as a great place to start for anyone newly embarking on their didgeridoo journey. The didgeridoo is just such a fun instrument to experiment with that it makes a great addition to any musical collection. A didge that is accessible to beginners gives this instrument the allure of enabling its player to tap into the healing sounds of its music without being a professional musician. This particular didgeridoo is particularly great for beginners as it can be used either with or without a mouthpiece. Meinl offers this state-of-the-art didgeridoo to players of all levels, however, as it creates high-quality professional sounds. The tones that emanate from this amazing bamboo didgeridoo will sound great in any setting, whether in a room dedicated to sound therapy or recorded on a modern music track. Each of these lightweight didgeridoos come hand-painted with authentic native designs and are ready to be played as soon as they arrive. Here are some pros. Handcrafted bamboo and unique painted designs, easy to play, designed with the beginner in mind, great for musical experimentation. No mouthpiece needed to play, so no extra purchases are necessary. Great price for didgeridoo players on a budget. Each is covered by a 2-year warranty. And here are some cons. Wood can break down and crack, etc. over time. The nature of wood is not weatherproof, therefore holds the potential for inconsistencies in the sound of the instrument.